In the heart of the Middle East, a delicate balance of power constantly shifts. Today, we explore the complex dynamics between the United States and Iran. For decades, these two nations have navigated a path marked by tension, mistrust, and strategic maneuvering. Their relationship shapes global stability. The increasing military presence in the region underscores the gravity of this geopolitical situation. Every move is carefully watched. This documentary delves into the historical roots of their rivalry, examining the events that have led us to this critical juncture. From the Iranian Revolution to the present day, understanding the past is crucial to comprehending the current landscape. We will explore the significant moments that have shaped perceptions and policies on both sides, creating a complex tapestry of relations. The Iranian Revolution of 1979 dramatically altered the geopolitical map, ushering in a new era of regional dynamics and international relations. This pivotal event laid the groundwork for much of the tension we observe today, redefining alliances and rivalries in the Middle East. The subsequent hostage crisis further solidified a deep-seated animosity, creating a lasting scar on diplomatic ties between the two nations. These early confrontations set a precedent for future interactions, often characterized by indirect conflict and strategic competition. Decades later, the nuclear deal negotiations offered a brief glimmer of hope for de-escalation and a new chapter in relations. However, the eventual withdrawal from the agreement reignited tensions, bringing us back to a familiar state of uncertainty and heightened alert. Today, the United States maintains a significant military footprint across the Middle East, strategically positioned near Iran's borders. These deployments are not arbitrary. They reflect a complex strategy aimed at protecting interests and deterring potential aggression. From naval fleets in the Persian Gulf to air assets in neighboring countries, the scale of this presence is substantial and ever-evolving. The strategic rationale behind these deployments includes safeguarding vital shipping lanes and supporting regional allies. Ground forces are also strategically positioned, ready to respond to various contingencies and maintain regional stability. These military assets serve as a clear message of deterrence, aiming to prevent any actions that could destabilize the region. However, this presence is viewed differently from Tehran, where it is often perceived as a direct threat to national sovereignty. Iran, in turn, has developed its own formidable military capabilities, focusing on asymmetric warfare and regional influence. Its missile program is a cornerstone of its defense strategy, designed to project power and deter potential adversaries. The Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps and its naval forces play a crucial role in safeguarding its maritime borders and interests. Beyond conventional forces, Iran leverages a network of proxy groups across the region, extending its influence and strategic reach. These groups are integral to Iran's defense posture, creating a complex web of alliances and potential flashpoints. The perception of U.S. presence as an encroachment fuels Iran's defensive strategies, leading to a continuous cycle of military buildup. This dynamic creates a volatile environment where miscalculation could have severe and far-reaching consequences for global stability. Given the current tensions, experts analyze various hypothetical scenarios of how a conflict could potentially unfold. One scenario involves a limited regional conflict, perhaps triggered by an incident in the Strait of Hormuz or a proxy confrontation. Another possibility is an escalation into cyber warfare, targeting critical infrastructure and disrupting global communications. The potential for regional proxy conflicts to intensify is also a significant concern, drawing in multiple actors and further destabilizing the area. Experts warn that any direct military confrontation could have devastating consequences, extending far beyond the immediate region. The global economy, energy markets, and international alliances would all face unprecedented challenges in such a scenario. Despite the looming threats, diplomatic efforts continue behind the scenes, seeking pathways to de-escalation and peaceful resolution. International organizations and key global actors play a vital role in mediating discussions and fostering dialogue between the parties. The path to de-escalation is complex, requiring careful negotiation, mutual understanding, and a willingness to compromise. The future outlook remains uncertain, but the stakes for regional and global stability could not be higher. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for informed global citizenship. The world watches as this critical relationship unfolds.